Actually, the whole story is yung referees, yung nagkamali sa amin, may na-suspended. I think a couple of games ago. Pag yung referee naman, sa kanila nagkakamali, wala namang suspend. And I feel, as a governor, it's not his job to keep talking to the referees or in that way intimidating. Hindi never na ginawa yung ni Attorney Merck yung governor namin. So ang layo ng behavior. So maybe coaches can complain, maybe assistant coaches can complain. But I feel in terms of demeanor and ethics, yung board, kung kaya nila na pigilin yung emotions nila, they should just leave that to their coaching staff and to the players. Gusto magreklamo ng players. So, ayun. Tapos from afar, tinawag niya ako ulul. Hindi ko naman siya, yun lang naman ang sinabi ko. So, nagkasagutan kami. I think marami namang witness nun. Marami namang naka-witness nun. So I was just asking him to stop talking to the referees. And then from afar, sumigaw siya. So, ganun lang. And there were a lot of witnesses. Daming witnesses. Hindi ko naman siya minura. Sabi ko lang, huwag mong kausapin ng referees. Which is a fair statement. Kasi, ano yun eh, nakaka-intimidate yun. And in the series, it's a close series, and there are a lot of calls that can determine the game. I'm protecting my team. At hindi namin never ginawa yun ni Attorney Merck sa referee. Or kahit si Boss Edison na assistant alternate governor. So, there's a delineation doon sa roles, ng staff at ng officers ng management ng team. Maybe sometimes, I can, baka pamisa-minsan, pwede madala siya ng emotion niya, siya. But not every time. But not every time. Tao rin naman yung mga yan eh. Minsan may bugso ng emosyon mo. Pero, you cannot do that for game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4.
Coach, clarify lang, bago ka tinawag nung yung sinabi mo, meron na ba kayong prior na
Wala.
Tapos coach, after the game, ano yung naging usapan naman doon?
Akala ko makiki-handshake siya. Nilapitan ko si Coach Steve, nag-handshake kami. Tapos tumapit siya. Tinanong niya ako ano raw ang problema ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, huwag niyo kakausapin yung referees.